Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a quick curl refresh and a go-to natural glam makeup look for you. So if you'd like to check out how I get these curls popping and get my makeup look going, stick around with me, keep watching. And if you enjoy the video, hit the like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Now, starting with that priming of the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the pads of my fingers and then a quick set. For today's palette, I'm using a beautiful palette called Wizardry and Witchcraft from Storybook Cosmetics. Check them out, guys. I'll link them down below for you. Now, picking up a nice light brown shade, I'm going to go ahead and work that into the crease. Then with a smaller blending brush, I'm going to use a little bit of a darker brown from the palette and then just keep working that to kind of deepen the crease and the outer third. With the pad of my finger, I'm using the beautiful champagne shade right there in the middle, and done. We're ready to go to the face. So with some concealer, I'm going to start with half of my face because I feel like this concealer from Neutrogena, it kind of starts to dry on my face a little bit too fast. So as long as I work with half of my face, blend it out, and then go to the second half, it works perfect. I don't have to worry about it like drying out too much on my face. Now, after everything, after the concealer has been laid down, I'm going to pick up my powder again and go right over all of the concealer that I laid down. Bronzer and blush. So dipping into that bronzer first, I'm placing that very sloppily into my cheekbones, across my forehead and my temples, and my jawline. And then I'm going to get a little more contoury for the bottom of my lower lip as well as my nose. Then hit my cheeks with this beautiful soft pink. For the lower waterline, I'm picking up my favorite nude eyeliner. I love how this makes my eyes pop. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to take that dark shade first on the outer third and then blend it out with the light brown. All right, liner and mascara. I'm loving this duo from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm picking up the eyeliner first, and I'm going to work a really, really tight eyeliner close to my lash line and the smallest of wings. Depending on how glam I want to get, I'll just make that wing a little bit bigger. But for today, just keeping it really super and tiny. Then a quick curl of the lashes, and then coating with one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. I love how my natural lashes look after a few coats of this. All right, time to highlight. And I'm going to hit all the sweet spots, guys. The brow bone, the inner corner, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. I'm not going to forget those cheekbones. And of course, sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. Ooh, we be glowing. Here we go, time for the lips. And now this makeup look is so awesome because you can pair it with any lip color. I chose a nude gloss. I started with a lipstick pencil. It's my favorite shade right now, and this is my favorite lip gloss. It's from M Cosmetics called Morning Dew. Time to get these curls popping. So removing my squared headband here from Zazzy Band, I'm going to pick up my body and hair oil from That's That Magic. I start with applying it to the pads of my fingers, and I'm going to separate my curls all around my head. I try not to separate my curls too much when it's near a beginning day of a wash day, just so I can salvage my curls for more days. And as I'm separating them, if I feel like they're a little frizzy, I just kind of start to finger coil and make the shape again so they continue to be popping. I'm going to add a little more of the body and hair oil and give myself a scalp massage, and then I'm going to pick up also a scalp massager, but I'm going to use it as a hair pick, and I'm going to fluff up my curls just a little bit. And everybody, that is it. We are fluffed, we're glossed, we're ready, we're glam, and this is the completed look. I hope all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I also really can't wait to see you guys in my next video. So everyone, take care.